Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor festivities with the best picnic decorations party set available in the market. This 18-piece picnic party decoration set is an absolute game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor gatherings. Let's delve into why it's a must-have for your next picnic or outdoor event. First up, let's talk about the incredible variety you get with this set. It includes 4 red and white checkered disposable tablecloths, 2 red and white checkered pennants, 6 hanging paper fan sets, and 6 hanging round paper lanterns. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. These decorations are crafted from premium materials to ensure durability and aesthetic appeal. Take a look at the size details. The tablecloths measure a generous 108 inches long and 54 inches wide, providing ample coverage for your picnic table. The checkered pennant banner stretches over 65.6 feet, adding a festive touch to your outdoor space. Now, let's talk about ease of installation. You won't need to spend hours setting up these decorations. With simple assembly instructions, you can have everything ready in just a few minutes. From opening up the paper fans to hanging the round lanterns, it's hassle-free. What I love most about this picnic party decoration set is its versatility. Whether you're in a birthday bash, a barbecue party, or a family picnic, these decorations will set the perfect mood. Plus, they're reusable, so you can enjoy them time and time again. In conclusion, if you want to take your outdoor gatherings to the next level, look no further than this 18-piece picnic party decoration set. With its vibrant colors, durable materials, and easy assembly, it's the perfect choice for any occasion. Don't settle for ordinary. Make your next picnic extraordinary with these fabulous decorations. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and stay tuned for more insightful reviews.